Yan. Oh guys, look at that. Let's cook sinampalukang manok or sinigang na manok. Tama ba yun? Yan na. Olive oil for lunch. Lemongrass and then tomatoes. Ginger. Onion, garlic. Mustard leaves or mustasa. And then this one is anong tawag sa Tagalog? Labanos or labanos. Radish, yeah. And chicken for sure, we have that. And this is our green or fresh tamarind, fresh from the tamarind tree. And green chilies. Yan. Okay, let's go. So first, magsasaute muna tayo. Let's saute our luya or ginger. We put that. Ito. Onions. And actually, you can put everything all together. Ano niya yung lansa niya. Kasama na ng Okay. Everything, okay? And then, ano natin? Then just cover it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Later. Okay. So let's check our chicken after 10 to 15 minutes. Ayan na siya. Guys, ang bango nung tanglad or ng lemongrass. Kamatis. Yan, masarap kasing may nginunguya dyan sa kamatis kaya hinaf ko lang siya. We are using datu puti to simmer pa. Okay, later. Okay, guys, we're back. And now, I think it's time. Nasabawan na natin siya. We put our sabaw or tubig over it anymore. But then I want to put this para hindi mag-overcook. Let's put our tamarind. But for that, para to cook yung tamarind natin, we have to cover it just for at least 5 minutes. That will do it. Whoa, tamarind's cooked. Own sinigang mix. So I just take it. Just take all your tamarind from your cacerola or pot, and then because we are not using sinigang mix or anything like that. I think that will do it. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. That's it. Yeah. We'll put more water para madagdagan yung soup natin dahil na pangit yung I think that will do it. Okay. Okay. Let it simmer. And then this one, iba tutubigan ko to. Tubigan. Okay, this is our tamarind. Okay. Then, we just do this. Okay natin yung flavor ng tamarind. Just take all the flavor. Guys, alam mo kaya English, Most of my subscribers po is from different countries or America, US, because makikita mo yun sa analytics. Kaya yung mga Pinoy natin dyan, guys, it's been a while. You guys can subscribe now, just, Okay, yan. So, tapos na siya, guys. Nakuha na natin yung flavor niya. It's asim yan. Sarap. Sour. This. A radish to our soup. Okay, let's just soup or that's it. So just remove this and extract more flavor. And okay, ouch. Okay, that's it. And then just let it simmer, and we're done. It's a lot of grease. Let that simmer, and then the last will be our. Okay, guys, yan! Kumukulo na siya. So, say that's 4 tablespoons. Okay, and then we will put our mustasa. cover it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Yan. Oh guys, look at that. That's it. Oh, that's it. Yummy! Okay, later! Namin mga bata at saka ng mga kay Nina. Yeah. Kumakain sila niyan. No? Very good. Okay, let's put some sabaw na lang. Okay. Uy. And then more gulay.